Hello there, people. It's the beginning of June and it's blistering hot today. It's 34 degrees and the only good thing about the weather is the breeze that is going about. Otherwise I would be working at all today. But now I finished my solar thermal device, which probably some of you have seen already in previous videos. I'm just going to show you how it works. Let me show you the system temperature as it is right now. It's 21 degrees Celsius. And then I'm going to climb up there and show you how far the heater can increase the temperature. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, so this is still a bit patchy. I'm just gonna keep it as it is for now. Yeah, this is because this is open and there will be evaporation. This will show me how much water is in the box, and if and when I have to fill it back up. It's just a fishing device here. There's the warm water intake. There's my little pump, which then goes to the heat exchanger, which is in the sump. We're just gonna leave this in here for a second and I'm gonna stop the video. Okay, so let's see how far the panel can heat the water. Okay. And that would be 32 degrees. And this is like a constant pumping system. There's no intervals or anything. So yeah, this is a panel is a bit dirty because I tried to wipe it clean, but the pine is raining sap, so all those dots you see are not bird poop or anything, it's just sap. And I had it all over my hands, and the only thing that worked was acetone to remove it. And I'm not going to wipe the entire panel in acetone. Okay, let me climb back down and then I'll show you my sump. That's it. So we have the float valve to top off the system. Then the green hose you see is my heat exchanger. So that's where the 32 degree water goes through constantly. And then yeah, this is how the hose travels back up. And if you touch these two hoses, you can feel it. I mean, the left one is the return and it's quite cold, but the right one is actually quite cozy warm because it's filled with warmer water which has gone through the panel already. This is quite nice. For now I'm running this solar thermal on a timer until I have my computer set up. So it's running from 8 in the morning to 2 in the afternoon, and now this is when the sun will hit the panel and actually produce the warmest water. And I think because I don't have like control, like when the system is warm enough it's not automatically shutting off, so I'll have to keep a close eye on that. Alright, now I think I'm gonna show you the fish. Okay, as you've seen, the fish have adapted quite well in the system. They're very happy, constantly feeding, always hungry, which is probably also due to the temperature increase. We've had good weather lately, and the temperature went up about 6 degrees in a week. I know that's a bit steep, but as long as the fish are happy and they're not getting energy deficiency syndrome, I am happy too. So thank you for watching, and if you like what you saw, please subscribe. Oh, by the way, we could show the plants too, right? So yeah, my tomatoes are not used to the hot temperatures yet. It was about 40 degrees in here when I opened the door this morning. Even though I have now 2 automatic windows. Yeah, by the way, I just wanted to show you the first fruit that are setting. There's a kind of teardrop cherry tomato, and then we have loads of other varieties, and then there are those guys. Yeah, I really don't know what they're doing. This is some kind of jumbled together flower. I really don't know. This is called pineapple tomato. Well, they also do produce normal flowers. Yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, there are more of those bigger flowers, right? But next to them there are smaller flowers, so those are maybe more than one flower together. This guy here so only produced the one big flower, and then a whole lot of nothing, where there should be more than just one flower, right? Up here they are again forming a few more flowers. Oh yeah, everything looks lush either way, but they're not liking the temperatures too much. My peppers have bounced back nicely, I think, from all the savaging by the let's see, by the slugs. Here there are even first fruit are forming, so we're doing much better than last year.